If you're watching this video, it means you have participated in World Robot Olympiad in previous years, or you are planning to participate in WRO 2022. So if you are new to WRO, then I would like to discuss what are the important things required to participate in WRO competition. So the topic for this video is get ready for WRO. So let's start now. So the first thing you should do is form a team of minimum 2 students and maximum 3 students. And then you need a coach. Without coach, you cannot participate in WRO competition. The minimum age for the coach is 18 years old. And then you need a robotics kit which is used to build the robot. It could be NXT, EV3 or Spike Prime, any set is fine. And then you are free to use any software to control the robot. And after that you need the WRO brick set, using which I have built all the game objects what you're seeing on the mat. And if you have enough Lego pieces at home, you can use those to build the game objects. And then you need this mat, what mat I'm using for the challenge, this green mat what you're seeing. And then you have to use this WRO table. If you don't have this table, then it is little difficult to participate in the competition, because many times we use this table boundaries to practice to run the robot or take the reference of these boundaries. So it's better if you could arrange one table if you are planning to participate in WRO competition. And at last but not least, you need 25 to 30 dedicated hours to practice for this competition, because it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to make a working robot to solve the challenge. And if you want to register your team for this competition, you can visit the official website of WRO. I have given the link in engineering notebook also. So you can visit there and check the national organizer in your country. Thank you.